In this video, we will show you how to get material theme on Google Chrome. This material theme is beta on Google Chrome, but we can enable this if we think the material theme is better. To get the material theme in Google Chrome, first you can open this URL on the address bar of Google Chrome. For example, after we copy this URL, you can get this URL in pinned comments. Hit the enter, and then you can see there is two menus that we must enable the features. There is Chrome Refresh 2023 with Chrome Web UI Refresh 2023. Enable all of this. Okay, before to do that, I will show you if we choose new tab and customize Google Chrome, there is the default theme like this. Okay, please remember this because we want to change this. And after we enable these features, Chrome Refresh and the Chrome Web UI Refresh, we can relaunch our Google Chrome browser. And then you can see there the menu for the search tab on the left screen because the default on here. After that, if we click new tab in here, then we click customize Chrome, you can see the color have 4 options and 3 options. If we click this and choose the material theme, you can see maybe you like with this material theme using dark or using light theme, and you can enable this by typing the URL. Okay, please enable Chrome Refresh with Chrome Web UI. Then you can set the theme you like in the Customize Chrome if you click new tab. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to get material theme from Google Chrome for 2023. Hope this video helpful for you.